So when we open the forensics folder, we see that the first page is the table of contents. Now I would recommend putting this as the first page within your forensics folder so that Mr. Ralph will be able to locate papers that he needs to grade quickly, and if you need a paper within your forensics folder, you will be able to find it quickly as well. So when looking at the table of contents, we see that first is the title page, second is section pages with tabs, and third is section number 1, which is paperwork. This includes your pyramid and goal sheet, your grade tracker sheet, your signed schedule sheet that Mr. Ralph will give to you, and your tournament rules sheet that Mr. Ralph will give to you. And fourth, we see that section number 2 is notes for you. And in here we see that we have piece and speech preparation pages that Mr. Ralph will give to you, and also some just random sheets of notebook paper in case you have to take notes throughout the semester. And section number 3 is Monday Fun Day sheets. And then finally, section number 4 is your events, and in the order that Mr. Ralph says to do them, which is on a sheet of paper that he will give you throughout the course of the semester. So when looking at the paperwork section, we see that this is a nicely written on tab that Mr. Ralph will be able to find. And first is your success and goal sheet. Second is your grade tracker sheet. Next is your signed schedule to be able to ensure that you'll be able to make all of your forensics tournaments. And finally, we see that Mr. Ralph wants you to put in the tournament participation rules within this section. And next we see that notes is the next section, and this includes piece preparation if you are an actor, speech preparation sheet if you are a speaker, and any random notes that you will need throughout the semester you will put into this section. And next we see that Monday Fun Day sheets is a section in itself, and I'm sure that Mr. Ralph will explain to you what Monday Fun Day sheets are. And within this section, basically you just put Monday Fun Day sheets within chronological order, week by week throughout the entire year, and you put them all into this section so that Mr. Ralph will be able to grade your folder on that accordingly. And the next section of your folder is your events, and in this forensics folder we see that it is Duo. And within your events, Mr. Ralph actually already supplies you how you should organize this part. First, we see that